What's up, everybody? It's Ryan's Cough Customs. So today I got my Fuelpak FP3 tuner in. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install that on your bike. I have a 2019 Road Glide, so this is the install on the touring models. You're going to want to go ahead and install this. You don't have to use my way. You can do it however you want, but this is what you need to do. And then just follow the directions, pick your base map, and then go ahead and do your auto tune. So I'm going to show you how to install it, and we'll go from there. Alright, so first thing you got to do is remove the seat. So take your screw out or Phillips screw, take the seat off. That's step one. Step two, you're going to open your bag and remove the two bag screws and pop your bag off, and then pull your side cover out of the grommets here. It just pops right off. And you're going to access your diagnostic link connector port. And I will show you what to do with that. So you're going to want to pull the rubber cap off and go ahead and plug in your Fuelpak until it clicks, and I will show you how to mount it and get it to stick up in here. So what I did is I just routed my battery tender port right here into the little holder. I have this plugged in for the tuner, so there's no need for the rubber grommet because the tuner is sealing the connector off here. So that's plugged in. I just routed this back and set the FP3 here. It's not going to move or jiggle or anything like that. It's pretty set in there. So we're going to leave that, put the cover on, and then we will connect it, and I will let you know how it goes. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks guys. Be cool. Stay safe.